Hey guys, welcome back. Let's improve and boost your vocabulary and learn common phrases and collocations with the verb take. In this lesson, we're going through 20 common collocations, common phrases with the verb take, going through the definition, going through examples to help you remember and use them when speaking in English. Now, if this is the first time you're here on my YouTube channel, welcome. My name's Adriana from EnglishTeacherAdriana.com. I help English learners improve their English, boost their confidence to finally speak English confidently. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your confidence speaking in English. Guys, in this lesson, there'll be many new phrases and expressions. While you're watching this video lesson, I suggest that you use and apply the shadowing technique. So while you hear me saying these phrases, saying the example sentences, say and repeat out loud to help you remember and use them when speaking in English. Go and find yourself a quiet corner and let's begin with the first phrase you could use with the verb take. Now let's begin with to take a number. To take a number. Now, if you take a number, it means that you collect a number. It could be for a line, for a lottery ticket, or even for a phone number. So to collect somebody's phone number. For example, you need to take a number at the front desk and wait your turn. Again, pronunciation, take a number. Take a number. Now, the phrase to take a photo or to take a photograph means that you click a photo of someone or something. For example, could you take a photo of us? Again, pronunciation, take a photograph, or the more common variation, take a photo, take a photo. A very similar phrase to take a photo is the phrase take a picture. Take a picture. For example, could you please take a picture of us? Again, pronunciation, take a picture. Take a picture. Now, if you're feeling very tired, you may need to take a rest. Take a rest. This means to rest. For example, I need to take a rest and then I'll go out again. So here, instead of saying I need to relax, I need to take a rest. Careful pronunciation, take a rest. Take a rest. But if somebody's done something really bad, they've broken the law and somehow you've been impacted by this, you may need to take them to court. So the phrase is to take somebody to court, and this means to sue them, to take them to court. For example, they didn't honor our contract, so we'll be taking them to court. Again, pronunciation, to take somebody to court. To take somebody to court. But if you're feeling sick and you feel that you have a temperature and you need to check this, or to check somebody's temperature, then you could use a phrase to take somebody's temperature. For example, I need to take my baby's temperature to see if she's okay. Careful pronunciation, to take somebody's temperature. To take somebody's temperature. If you'd like to ask somebody to bite something, maybe a cake, piece of bread, something you've made, then you could use a phrase to take a bite. Take a bite. For example, could you please take a bite of this cake and see if it's okay? Careful pronunciation, take a bite. Take a bite. Now, if you're an actor or maybe you're watching a play in the theatre or you're watching some show and you notice that actors bow at the end of their performance. Here, a great phrase to be using to describe this is to take a bow. Take a bow. For example, the actors took a bow after the show. Careful pronunciation, take a bow. Take a bow. If you'd like to take a pause, take a rest from an activity, you could use a phrase take a break. Take a break. For example, I'm going to take a break from filming, I'm exhausted. Again, pronunciation, take a break. Take a break. Now, if you're starting to learn a new skill and you need a teacher, you may need to take lessons. To take lessons means that you take classes, you go somewhere and someone is teaching you something. For example, if you're preparing for IELTS, you should take lessons with a qualified English teacher. Again, pronunciation, take lessons. Take lessons. Now, a really common phrase, it's a little bit informal phrase to use to express that you want to check something or to ask somebody to check something for you is a phrase, take a look. Take a look. For example, you ask me, Adriana, could you take a look at my essay? And I answer, sure, I'll take a look at it. Here you're asking me, Adriana, can you check my essay, see if it's okay? Careful pronunciation, take a look. take a look. Now the phrase take a message is a great phrase to be using when maybe you're out and somebody's called you, but somebody else is answering the phone for you, so they will take that message and pass it on to you. For example, Mary called Bob. Bob's not at home. I was by the phone and I asked Mary, can I take a message for Bob and I'll pass it on to him. Careful pronunciation, to take a message. To take a message. Now, if you're really tired, you may need to sleep for a short period of time. You may need to take a nap. Take a nap. For example, I'm going to take a nap before our next call. Careful pronunciation, take a nap. Take a nap. Now, if you're the type of person that likes to risk something or things, you may like to take risks. For example, police take risks every day to fight crime on the streets. Careful pronunciation, take a risk. Take a risk. If you'd like to tell somebody to sit down, a nice polite way of saying this is with the phrase to take a seat. To take a seat. For example, could you please take a seat and we'll start with the class. Again, pronunciation, take a seat. Take a seat. If you'd like to tell somebody or express the fact that you need to shower and bathe yourself, then you could use a phrase take a shower. Take a shower. For example, I'm going to take a shower and then I'll meet you there. Again, pronunciation, take a shower. Take a shower. Now the phrase take a step can have a few meanings depending on the context. For example, in the context, if you take one more step forward, you'll fall. Here, this means that literally if you move one step forward, you're going to fall. But in the sentence, you've taken a few important steps to your recovery. Here, we're not talking about literal steps. We're talking about things that a person may have done to enable them to recover from maybe their illness, sickness, basically to help them improve and to recover faster. Careful pronunciation, to take a step. To take a step. Now, if you regularly travel by taxi, bus, plane, or train, you could use a phrase to take a taxi, to take a bus, to take a plane, or to take a train. For example, I'm going to take a taxi to work today. Careful pronunciation, take a taxi, take a bus, take a plane, or take a train. Now in English, you could use a phrase to sit a test to describe that you are doing a test. This is very formal, but a less formal way of expressing this is to take a test. For example, I'm going to take my IELTS test this weekend. Careful pronunciation, take a test. Take a test. Now the phrase to take a call means that you pick up the phone, you answer the phone, and you speak to that person. For example, I don't have time today to take a call. Let's do it tomorrow instead. So here, I don't have time to talk, to answer the phone, and to speak with you. Careful pronunciation, to take a call. To take a call. Now the phrase to take a chance is very similar in meaning to the phrase to take a risk, which we had at the beginning of this lesson, and basically it means to risk something. For example, you should definitely leave your job, take a chance, you'll most likely find something better. Careful pronunciation, to take a chance. To take a chance. Now, if you're planning on going on vacation or going on holiday, a nice formal way of expressing this is to take a holiday. To take a holiday. For example, I'm going to take a holiday this August and I'm going back home to Australia. Careful pronunciation, take a holiday. Take a holiday. Remember guys that practice makes perfect. Make sure to watch this video lesson a few times. Use and apply the shadowing technique to help you remember and use these phrases when speaking in English. Also guys, let's take it one step further by completing a homework task together. Watch this video lesson for a third time, choose 5 new phrases you've come across in this video lesson and use them in a sentence in the comments below this video. Remember guys, if you like this video lesson, please do let me know by smashing that like button. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so that you know, get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your confidence speaking in English. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next lesson. Bye for now.